I don't know who in this world I actually wake up early, yo. Like, and I never understood how my grandparents would just wake up with no alarm. And there's just certain people in this world that just wake up with no alarm and they love it. They love it. I personally cannot stand waking up early. And then right now, you gotta wake up early and do cardio. Like, who made this, yo? Whoever made this and invented this, you're a genius, but you're also the devil. This is not cool. But anyways, and this is not even early. It's right now. It's 7:28. It's kind of late. I'm actually very late. But I don't work today. Well, I do work, but I don't have a hard day of work, so I took advantage and got some sleep. Monday and Tuesdays, I take advantage. Wednesday to Saturday, there's no taking advantage. There's no excuses. 6 on the dot, we gotta be up. So, you know, coach said if you couldn't sleep an extra 10 minutes, take the 10 minutes. There we go. That's my missing component right now. Well, that's always been my missing component to any competition, to any growth, is rest, bro. For me to get a good 7 hours of sleep is very, very rare. So when I can, I try my best to. Right now, I'm on my way to do some Stairmaster. I usually just do the bike right in the house, but it's time to go a little harder than usual. Gotta step it up, so that's what we're doing right now. What do we have today? Right now we're gonna go do cardio. Then we have a massage with EJ at 10:30, and then after the massage, we're gonna go hit the gym. Right after the massage, right after he does his work. So right now, I'm currently seeing EJ every week, once a week, until my show. Shout out to him for taking me under the wing and taking care of me by choice. And, you know, that's very, very highly appreciated. Like, I thank him so much for that. Because, you know, for him to say, yo, I want to take care of you this prep. I want to make sure that you're good leading into it. Every week, if you have the time, come see me, and we'll be doing that. You guys need to understand how beneficial that is. Like, rest and recovery is the biggest part of growth. If you're not resting or recovering, then you're not gonna really grow to your peak. You know what I mean? Like, your full potential. And that's why I'm really working on this prep, rest, recovery, and trying to stay away from stress. Although, you know, stress is like a fucking magnet to me, with everything that I got going on, but no excuses, guys. No excuses, I always tell you that. So, I'll see you guys on the treadmill. Stairmaster. Do both. I gotta do 45 minutes, so I usually try to split that to 20-25. Because, honestly, who is gonna sit on that Stairmaster for 45 minutes? I will disappear, and I will fucking pass out. I can do it, but I choose not to do it. I tell myself that. No, it's not good enough. Although it's amazing. Stairmaster is amazing, but Stairmaster can be detrimental to you if, like, for example, like, if there's no muscle maturity in your legs and you just on that Stairmaster daily, you're gonna lose some type of muscle, because it's like, it's very severe. You know what I mean? It's the most effective when it comes to losing weight, yes. It's the stairs, you know what I mean? You get on that bitch and you start sweating right away. Like, you got on a treadmill, you gotta push to start sweating. But anyways, I'll see you guys there. Real quick, I just called Juju before I made this video, I called Juju about 5 minutes ago. Because, again, it's his first week back. I just wake him up so he can do fasting cardio. So, if I know Juju, I think he went back to sleep. So, let me double check. Let's double check. I knew it. Oh, why. I doubted you, my boy. I thought you went back to sleep. I had to double check.
Damn, for real?
Yeah, I had to double check on your ass. You know I had to.
Damn.
Yo, the doubt is crazy, right?
You tired of me, nigga?
Yeah, nigga, get up. I need to sleep.
Nah.
You about to get on that bitch now?
I'm about to get on that motherfucker right now.
I know that shit hasn't been used in so long that there's hella clothes on it.
Motherfucker got some. I show that motherfucker some love.
Yeah, that bike got hella clothes on it. Alright, but I'm just making sure you up, gang.
Alright.
Well, he's up. We're on the right path.
This one, man. I know y'all feeling pretty hot out there. Next selection. Bad moves for hip like. Then I'm in the back spinning about the moon. Loving me, love it when I do my thing.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but fucking McDonald's right in front of the treadmill. What a beautiful view, beautiful fucking view. Love you guys.
Illinois, the bad boys. Keep a couple of toys and I'm back to fill up. So much swag.
Whoever did that, whoever thought of it first. I don't know if the gym was here first or the McDonald's was there first, but genius, because I know there's people that can't handle it. I've honestly been in the gym for about 2 years now, about 2 years. I've never went to that McDonald's. Never. So, proud of you.
So we just got back from fasted cardio. Right now we're about to move this up a little bit. Now we're about to eat our breakfast and set up the next few meals for the rest of the day. So you guys are gonna get like a little small what I eat in a day real quick and see how I set this up. But for now, I'm gonna just do this breakfast real quick. For breakfast, we're having 325 grams of egg whites, 1 whole egg, and 40 grams of oats. The most boringest shit ever, honestly. If it wasn't for the 103 grams of blueberries that we're gonna add to it, it would be shit. But, you know, we gotta make the best of it, so let's get this going. Honestly. Usually I have 2 whole eggs, so I'd make them over easy, but ain't even no point of doing all that right now. We're just gonna mix that shit in there, cause what I'm gonna do? I should have did this for you guys when I had more food involved. Now I'm eating the bare minimum, so it's not that fun. It's not that fun at all, yo. This shit fucking sucks. But it's alright. This is the life we chose, you know, and that's what we got to deal with. $40 grams of oatmeal is shit. I'm trying to sneak 41, 42 in there, but we actually got it on the money. So, that's what it is. Usually boil water and then just throw it in the oatmeal and let it sit, but you know, we're gonna use the microwave. Only thing about the microwave is that you gotta be on it, because it boils up and then you're fucking got a mess in the fucking microwave. Don't mind my AC. That's the fucking fan to the central AC. That shit is loud as fuck. But thank God I got my mic on. So so my oatmeal is not as bland. I just throw a little Splenda or Sweet and Low, 0-calorie sugar, whatever you want to call this. Throw 2 little packs in there. Throw my blueberries. $103 grams of blueberries to be exact. Just mix that shit up. Chill. I don't know about this. That's what we're having for breakfast. Meal 1. Before I leave, since I'm about to go get my day started, I like to set up all my pre-workout, all that extra stuff, because honestly, it's annoying as hell to get to the gym, sit down, do all of that, and then you like to drink a pre-workout prior to getting, like on your way to the gym. You know what I mean? So right here we got our Intra-Carbs, we got our amino acids, the EAs, that's 1 bottle. We got our electrolytes, that goes in 1 bottle. Then we're gonna do our pre-workout. For pre-workout we got hard working motherfucker from Action Sledge, everything from Action Sledge. I ran out of Action Sledge creatine, so we're gonna use this one. This one's very popular, but it tastes like fucking shit. So I go 1.5 scoops of pre-workout. I'm gonna go scoop of creatine. That's it for that bottle. Definitely gotta get yourself one of these. This is very, very, very convenient, very fun. Shaker, I'm gonna do 1.5 servings of EAs. This is the drink while we work out. Pre-workout is the pre-workout. This is the intro workout. I like to do this now because, like I said, if you get to the gym, it's annoying. It's not only annoying, it's a fucking mess. Honestly, it's a fucking mess. So, let me go ahead and do that. It was 1.2 of Intra-Carbs. Honestly, I gave up on trying to make the flavors taste great because at the end of the day, none of this shit tastes fucking great. I gotta add a teaspoon of salt. Like that. So the water now. I like to throw some ice so it can stay cold for a little while. That should do. So we get to the gym. What's that? Now, setting up our next 2 meals. I'm gonna set up our post-workout, pre-workout, and post-workout. So for pre-workout, we're gonna have 75 grams of cream of rice, 1.5 scoops of Action Sledge protein. But we're gonna make the cream of rice first. Hold on.
I like to do my cream of rice on the pot. I got this little. I like to do it like that because honestly, the microwave is annoying. Back and forth, in and out, stirring, all that extra stuff, right? And then, like I told you guys with the oatmeal, if you do it without paying attention to it, it pops up. It makes a fucking mess. So we do not have time for any mess right now. We gotta go. EJ is waiting for us at 10:30. So while that gets ready, protein. So in another video, I'll explain to you guys the weight of protein because it's very confusing. So one scoop is 32.7 grams, but there's only 25 grams worth of protein. So that's a confusing concept. I have to use 45 grams of protein, so I always gotta do fucking math in my head. And it says very confusing. So we'll go with about 55 grams weighed out. Now what we do is, once this thing gets to a nice amount of thickness, this will be my pre-workout. Let's waste some protein. Do this. I got these plastic containers everywhere. But again, I hate washing dishes. Like the different sizes. This one is for rice. Which one is that? This is the s'mores flavored protein. And honestly, bro, I'm not a fan of s'mores, but this protein is fire. I had to try it with me. This is the fucking highlight of my day. Three of my meals I have nut butter, so almond butter for the one, 20 grams. I forgot to make sweet potato. Shit, bro. I got air fryer time. Well, that's that. Post workout will be 75 grams of sweet potato, which I didn't make. I gotta make now. 180 grams of rice and 190 grams of chicken. We'll see you in a little bit. I'm gonna do a little fit check. Gymshark vibes. Before we get up out of here. Let's go to these. Just arrived at EJ's. About to get this nice little massage, guys. Well, we've been here before. We've been following me for a while. We've been here before. Just not as this consistent. So I'll show you guys when I first started versus this is my third week. So let's get it. Go ahead, boss.
I'm coming.
Thank
I'm
you,
leaving.
thank you,
man.
thank you. You guys is familiar with this wall. Keep a gallon with me always.
Just finished that painful ass shit. I only got to show you guys the back because again there was nobody with me and the camera's on the tripod. I didn't want to record all those seconds, but we have our cream of rice, 20 grams of almond butter, a scoop and a half of protein. About to get ready for the gym. The best part of cream of rice is that you can eat it hot, you can eat it cold. I prefer to eat it cold, honestly. That shit hot is annoying. Burn everything. I hate. One thing about me, I hate burning my tongue. So with that being said, we're doing this shit like this right now. We're about to head to the gym. And we got a leg day game. We got a solid leg day ready. Let's get it. I'm looking forward to this. Especially after that fucking therapy. Holy shit. I'll just show you guys some physique updates when I get to the gym. Because that shit definitely helps so much with your physique. Like, it really pops everything. Like, wow. Slow down, man. Slow down.
Party begin.
My nigga, all I thought my shorts about to rip.
Nah, I can't rip it. That's gym shorts. I can't rip it. Nah,
Yo, double up, you know? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. One more.
Come on, get up. Come on.
Let's go.
Three more, come on. No, are you ready, nigga?
Three, 4, 3, 5, 7.
Wait, hold on.
Wait, hold on. I didn't get it. Wait, how? Fuck.
Oh shit. Come on. Get up. Don't touch it. Come on.
Come on. I can't record this, man. I gotta put this
Stop before you take it off. Together, come on. Let me play. 1. Up, 2, control it. Control it. Lower. There you go. 5. Come on, 6. I don't care. Come on, let's go. go, man. Hey, give up, stop giving up. Come on. Come on. Vamos. Let's go, push. 3, 4, 5.
Never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
Get my spoon. About to body this. It's chicken, rice, and sweet potatoes. Like I told you guys, 180 grams of rice, 190 grams of chicken, 75 grams of sweet potato. After leg day, you need all of this. I need all the carbs I can get right now. Demolish legs. Wow, this is what we're working with today.
Switched it off. The hood is right there.
Ah, hold on. Ah, Gordon. Shit hot as fuck. You guys get the point. You saw what happened. I forgot to fucking record. But 180 grams of rice, 190 grams of chicken again, and 100 grams of asparagus. Right now, there's probably like 2 grams of each. But, meal 4. So I'm back home, and right now I'm just making my midday snack. Well, not midday, but whenever I can, whenever I want. Only once a day. This is my snack. So, right now, it's 150 grams of Siggi's yogurt. I crushed it up when I was finished. Look. We can put some Jello powder, a little sugar, and a scoop of protein. That makes that amazing. Amazing. I'm telling you, if you're looking for a midday snack, healthy, low in fat, Siggi's yogurt, scoop of protein, and the sugar-free Jello pudding mix. Wow. I'm telling you, wow. And I get to put 15 grams of almond butter. Scrumptious. So that's gonna be meal 4.5, and I'll see you for meal 5 and the day. That's it. So you guys gonna have what I ate in a day plus a high leg day. Wow. Come on, man. We back. This is meal 5. I told you almond butter and rice, right? done for the day.